Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm starting it's gonna be like a 2-day vlog. I'm going to be prepping for the holiday coming up, which is Thanksgiving, and just doing everything that I do to prepare. I need to do my hair, my nails. I'm also going to be helping my mom with like getting the stuff she needs, because we all bring dishes, like our families, and we go to my aunt's house, so my mom brings 2 things every year, same tradition. So I'm going to be helping her like figure all that stuff out and just preparing for the day. I love Thanksgiving because, you know, we're all around family and it's just super fun. I haven't seen them all in a little while, so it's gonna be a really nice day. I'm also vlogging that day. But yeah, I just wanted to do like a regular vlog, not a college day of my life vlog. I do have class today, so like I'll just like show you guys, I guess, me going, but it's not gonna be like specifically like all about college today. I'm just gonna do like a regular, you know, few days of my life type of thing. So definitely excited for Thanksgiving, and just, I don't know, I'm really happy and excited for like Christmas coming and everything like that. So I just wanted to bring you guys along with the day. So right now I'm waiting to go to school, and then when I'm like done with school is when all the prepping will begin. Alright guys, today's outfit is very like sporty, athleisure. I'm just wearing like an Adidas tracksuit and then my white Ultra Boost, Adidas Ultra Boost. They're so bright. It is a beautiful freaking day out today. It is 52 and it is like actually feeling like fall instead of winter, because it is not winter yet, but the weather is very bipolar. So I mean, good thing that it's nice, but at the same time that's how people get sick, because it goes from like feeling like 30 degrees to 50 degrees the next day. Alright guys, I'm walking to class now. Well, I'll have to print something actually first, and then I'll go to my speech class. Alright guys, now that I finished school, I didn't really want to like bring you guys in like school and everything, because it's not about that, but I finished my 2 presentations today. It's really dark out, it's like 5 o'clock. I finished my 2 presentations and I think they went really well, despite me being like just like in cramps and like in pain and just over it. I just did it, and now I'm actually getting some chocolate covered strawberries from this place. They have like chocolate covered everything, and it's so like festive and perfect for like starting Vlogmas and getting ready for Thanksgiving and the holidays. So I'm getting some chocolate covered strawberries, and then it's break time. I'm gonna go home and like shower, do my hair and everything, and show you guys the products that I use and all of that fun stuff. So let's go and get chocolate covered strawberries. Alright guys, I just got home and we got like the goodies and stuff that my mom is going to be making. She makes a green bean casserole that has like the little fried onion bits on top, and then like sweet potato casserole too, with sweet potatoes all mashed up, and then the marshmallows on top. So super good. And so yeah, we did that, and I came home to another package. So in a couple of vlogs I mentioned that I bought this beanie from ASOS, and it finally arrived, and it's perfect timing because I'm wearing it as part of my Thanksgiving outfit. So I was like super nervous if it was gonna come in or not. I mean, it's not a big deal if it didn't, but like it looks cute with my outfit and I want to take pictures. So let's open this up. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little bag. That's really cute. I'm gonna need both hands for this though, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the beanie. It's a little darker than I pictured, like from the, what's it called, like online. So I don't know if it's gonna match as well as I thought it would with my outfit, but I feel like it still will. We'll see. If not, it's literally not a big deal, because I know it's probably gonna match my joggers that I got better from Brandy, because they're both olive green. Hopefully they match better, but if it's fine. I'm still wearing olive green pants Thursday for Thanksgiving, but it's just like a lighter version, so it still could be looking cute together. We'll see. I just really want to take like a cute little pic, so I'm gonna like try it on and show you guys. Alright guys, so this is the beanie on. It's a little smaller than I expected to. We'll see. I might have to when I get like more, because right now it has like a lining, but if I were to not put it rolled up, it could look a little different. But it has the mark, so like right now it looks weird, but I feel like it's still pretty cute. I feel like the camera, you can't really tell the color, but it kind of looks good with like my hair color. I don't know, it's cute, so it's not that bad. Make it work. Like I feel like it looks a little cuter when it's like has more room up here. So right now, like I just said, since it was like sitting in the packaging with it folded, it has like the mark, but when it goes away, I can like always like iron it down or something to have it like not have that crease line, but I feel like it's still really cute. Alright guys, I'm about to blow dry my hair and straighten it. I just washed it and let it like air dry a tiny bit just so it's not like soaking wet. And while I do my hair, I'm going to be watching just my show on my computer, what I mentioned I think in my vlog. It's called Make It or Break It. It's an old show. It's like a gymnastics show. It's really, really good. So I'm like rewatching it right now. And I'm going to watch it while I do my hair so that like time kind of like goes faster. And it's 8:20 right now. I'm going to also think about what color I want to do my nails tomorrow, because I have to do my nails still and figure out like my whole outfit and like make sure everything's clean. Alright guys, I just finished my hair. I'm still unsure if I'm going to leave it straight for Thanksgiving or curl it. The reason I did it today instead of tomorrow is because tomorrow I work, so I won't really have time to. And anyways, if I do curl it, it's better to curl your hair on like second day hair. So we'll see what happens with that. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my nails and like the rest of like the prepping and all that stuff. Today was good because we got to get like the groceries and stuff for her to like cook, and also like obviously doing my hair and just like, you know, little school stuff. And then oh my god, the chocolate covered strawberries were so freaking good guys, like obsessed. I love that place and it's so like festive, and I'm just so excited for like Christmas to come. I just love Christmas music, Christmas decor. It just makes me super happy, and I don't know, just love it. Good morning guys. I'm walking to get some coffee because I ran out of my milk. Alright guys, it is now Wednesday. This morning I went up the block to get my coffee, as you guys saw, because I didn't have any of my oat milk yet left. So I just got a hazelnut swirl hot latte with almond milk, and it is so bomb. And then I just ran a couple errands. I needed to get like my face wash from Walgreens, and now I'm gonna do my nails. Alright, I'm just gonna be doing this color today. It is by Sinful Colors. It's like one of their new shades. Got it a couple of weeks ago, and it is called Street Legal. It's like a really dark, I don't know, it's like almost like a nice brownish with like a gray tone to it. I don't know, but I really like it. It's dark. It's a nice fall, like transitioning into winter color, and it matches with like my outfit because I'm not I have like really like blues a lot. I have a lot of blue nail polish colors, but I wanted to do something different and something a little more neutral that'll match with like my outfit tomorrow. So I'm gonna do this one today. It saves me a ton of money just doing it myself because I don't go like every 2 weeks and pay for like a new manicure. I just don't really find it realistic for me. Here and there, like I'll, you know, treat myself, especially if I'm going like on vacation or have like a specific like event where I want it to like last long. But other than that, I just do it by myself, and either way I feel like they always get messed up super fast anyway, so why am I gonna have them get messed up when I could just do them myself. And I have my show right here next to me. So this is the vibe for right now. Alright guys, I finished my nails. They're a little wet. I just like washed them. But here they are. Super simple and dark, which is like perfect. And I like them. Start getting ready for work. On my way to work, I have to stop at the bank really quickly, but I won't be home till about like 10 o'clock. So when I get home, I'm gonna like take out my clothes for tomorrow and show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing. I'm also gonna be vlogging tomorrow, But yeah, I want to take it out because tomorrow we leave pretty early and I want to have my shirt ironed because it might be a little bit wrinkly from being in my closet. So yeah, I need to do that tonight. But I'm going to also charge my camera battery while I'm at work and everything because I'm obviously not going to be vlogging, so that it can be good for this weekend when I vlog. So that's like the little update right now. Back home from work, I just showered and everything. I'm going to iron my shirt for tomorrow. I'm wearing just this white like mock neck type shirt, super cute. Tomorrow's gonna be nice, so I'm not gonna wear like my big winter coat. I'm gonna wear like a cute little furry one, but it is gonna be windy, so like that'll make it a little bit more cold than the actual temperature. But yeah, I'm gonna go iron this now so that I can be ready to go in the morning since we are leaving quite early. I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. Tomorrow we have to wake up early. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I'm super excited and thankful for all of you guys. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video because that's going to be my first Vlogmas post. It's so crazy how Thanksgiving is super close to December this year. So yeah, that's probably going to be my first Vlogmas video. And then I'll be uploading basically every day. And it's just going to be super fun. I'm trying to do like Monday through Friday and then have the weekend off just because that'll be more realistic for me. But I hope you guys enjoy regardless, and I'm going to try my best. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very productive and just kind of like a lot of errands and just preparing for Vlogmas and Thanksgiving and all of that stuff. So it was kind of fun and everything like that. So hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving, and just remember what you're thankful for. Honestly, that's just, you have to just be grateful for everything you have and never take it for granted. So hope you guys enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.